Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, madam. We are from group 7 and this group contains 4 members, which is me, Abdul Haris bin Abdul, Muhammad Abdul Rahmizan, Muhammad Ahmad Zikri, and Mujidan. I just want to let you know that Mujidan will explain pet interface and spider class, followed by me, they will explain animal class, Abdul Hafizan will explain animal class, and lastly, Ahmad Zikri will explain hello pet and test class. So the first presenter, we pass to Mujidan to explain about pet interface.
This is the interface of the pet class, and we declaring the play method using public void play with a pair of parentheses.
Alright, so for animal class, referring to UML diagram, we know that we need to use abstract. So in the first line, public abstract class element and open the curly bracket. So the first one is we declare instance variable as a protected integer, which is protected integer legs, and followed by semicolon. For the next line, protected animal integer legs and curly bracket, which is in the curly bracket we include this dot legs equals to legs. As we know that this dot legs referring to the data field and legs referring to the variable in the parameter. After that, we declare abstract method for it and using void because there is no return type. So we type it as public abstract void it. And the last one, we declare a method walk and we override the method. So we need to include the number of legs and we type as public void walk and system output line the spider walks with the number of legs and plus legs, which is of the output we show how we show the spider walks with our legs.
Next, here is the public class with the subclass spider extends superclass animal. We are using a protected spider with a pair of parentheses. That is because it is a uh, because the next we are using a super keyword and a constructor with parameter that shows a spider legs. And the next line, that is a override. In the override, we are declaring method it using overriding. That is public void it following by a pair of parentheses. And the next line is the system.out.print line. That is spider use mode to eat insect. That describe that how the spider eat and what the spider eats.
Hello, madam. My name is Muhammad Rafiza bin Suud. Today I'll start with public subclass cat, extend to the super animal class, and then implements the pet. And then the next line, which is private string name, we store the name of the cat. And for the next line, with the line super, we specify the quantity of legs, while name specify the cat's name. For example, public cat string name, so super, therefore the legs would be 4 since it is a cat. And for the next line, it is overriding method. We override the play method and it will print out the name of the cat plus likes to play with laser. And for the next line is also overriding, which is we override the eat method and it will print out the name of the cat and it likes to eat fish. And for the final line, we will also be using the overriding method, which is override the walk method, and it will print out the name and it will run on and the number of legs it got and it finishes by legs.
So here we've created a class for Hello Pet and the implement pets here are created to implement an interface followed by a curly bracket and a public string name. create a method to receive value outside the method, then reference the data field radius of the object that is being constructed. Create a public void play method and print pet name plus place with your fingers. Next, we'll create main method for the public class test. Next, we'll create an object from the class cat, and then we create an object spider from the animal class, and lastly, hello pet object from the hello pet class. Now, we demonstrate different implementation of an interface, then demonstrate virtual method invocation.
So this is output of the program. The output shows Fluffy likes to play with laser, Catty plays with your fingers, Fluffy likes to eat fish, Spider use mouth to eat insects, the spider walks with 8 legs, Fluffy likes to play with laser, Fluffy run on 4 legs. So that's all from us. Thank you.